'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the cave not a creature was stirring. No one was that brave. The rocks and the clubs were all piled in a stack, in case a large predator wanted a snack. I was just getting settled, all snug in the loft, and dreaming of sleeping in beds that were soft, when outside the door there arose such a racket. I grabbed my best club and got ready to whack it. Before I could get there, it flew open wide, and something rushed past me, so now it's inside. The beast knocked me over and went by so fast, it made me fear this night just might be my last. I ran out the door, seeking some place to hide, but ran smack into something quite hard just outside. Then I see this fat guy with a bushy white beard. It was clear he was chuckling at me as he neared. So I bent down and picked up the nearest big boulder, but smiling, he just pointed over my shoulder. As I turned, the rock dropped, and I stood there agog, and got licked in the face by a big shaggy dog. "What the?" was all that I managed to say, as the pup made it clear he was ready to play. So we jumped and we wrestled for quite a good while, and finally collapsed in the loft in a pile. But I heard a voice say as I blew out the light, "Merry Christmas to you, Ugg. You'll sleep well tonight."